Right guys, just going to do a quick video here of sealing a shower enclosure and a sink with BT1. Right, so not only is BT1 the perfect sealant for the bathroom with no mould and fungal growth guaranteed, but it's also a super strong adhesive for bonding mirrors, shower panels, tiles, anything that needs bonded or sealed around the bathroom. BT1 is the perfect product.